Hi guys, my name is Samantha Stupi. This is my SDAIE lesson video. I decided to do an into activity for my video, and I chose to do a quick writing assignment for the students in mathematics. Writing isn't something that's done often, so I wanted to incorporate something that kind of gets our students, especially our EL students, using written English expression. So for this activity, we are going to be addressing the following standards. They're going to appear right here, and we are going to be meeting a few learning objectives regarding quick writing, and those learning objectives for specifically the EL students are going to be to use appropriate vocabulary and language when providing arguments and rationale, and then increase the use of English and develop their written and English oral skills through the use of academic vocabulary and argumentative application. So those are my two learning objectives for the students. Here is my lesson. I hope you enjoy. I'll be collecting that warm-up activity from you guys, and we're going to go through 4 of them before we transition into your quick writing assignment, okay? So everyone finish up that last one. Start passing your papers forward. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Perfect. Okay, so I have 4 equations I have written on the board, right? Perfect. Number 1. Does everyone remember what number 1 was? 4 plus 8 is equal to 10 plus 5. Is this mathematical sentence true? False. False. I know, because most of you are looking at me like, Miss S, obviously this is false. Yes, you are right. It is false because 4 plus 8 is equal. Anyone have any questions on how we got to any of these answers? Everyone understands what it means for an expression to be true or false. One side has to equal the other side, right? For it to be true. If they don't equal each other, it's what? False. False. Perfect. Okay, so now that you've thought about that, we're going to move into our quick writing assignment. Today we're going to be learning about recognizing true or false algebraic equations, right? So an algebraic equation, in case you guys don't remember, because we did go over this last class, an algebraic equation is just a mathematical expression with variables in it, right? You have unknown values in there. So those variables make it an algebraic equation, okay? So your quick writing assignment today is just think about what makes a mathematical sentence true, right? So what makes an algebraic equation true? What makes a numerical expression true? What makes any sort of mathematical sentence true? Is it that one side must equal each other? Probably. To be false, does one side not equal the other side? Probably. So I want you guys to take all of that, write it down on a piece of paper. I'm going to give you about 2.5 minutes to put all those thoughts into written form. Use complete sentences, please, and please try to use appropriate vocabulary. If you have questions on whether or not you're using the right vocabulary, if you kind of forget what a mathematical sentence is, or you can't remember, what an algebraic equation is, just raise your hand and I'll come by and help you. But you guys get about 2.5 to 3 minutes, okay? 2.5 to 3 minutes. Remember, you're answering the question that's on the board. What does it mean for mathematical sentences to be equal? Okay, I'm going to start the timer. Go ahead and get started. We'll get back in about 3 minutes. Okay, you guys, time is up. How was that? Pretty easy, right? You should be able to get your thoughts onto paper of what a mathematical sentence is, especially because we did so many examples right before we did our quick writing assignment, right? Great. So I want you guys to take that piece of paper, stick it in your folder. We're not going to do anything with it right now. We are going to pull it back out at the end of class once we go through these algebraic equations and determining whether they're true or false, or maybe sometimes true. And then we'll kind of make some revisions to that quick writing assignment, add a little more information in there, and that'll be what we're going to do at the end of class, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson. It was just kind of a little snippet of what a quick writing lesson would be like in a math class. This activity is great for increasing the students' use of written English expression and influencing their ability to translate their current content knowledge into a quick written text. And like I said in the intro, math isn't a subject that lends itself towards writing in a natural way. So incorporating quick writing assignments is a great strategy of SDAIE for our English learners, and they can develop their writing not only in their other subjects, but in mathematics as well. I hope you enjoyed and have a great day.